Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am Farhana Ahmed Shumi, Assistant Teacher, Hatajari Parvati Model Government High School. Hope you are well. By Allah's mercy, I am also well. Dear students, today I am going to discuss any topics, tag questions. Now, let us start my class. Dear students, tag questions. Tag. Tag means to add or जुड़ देवा. Questions means प्रश्न, to ask something. If we want to know about the tag questions, at first we have to know what is tag questions. Tag questions means during the conversations, dear students, the supporting questions. During the conversations, the supporting questions which we add at the end of the sentence, that is called tag questions. That is called tag questions. Now, we will discuss through an example. Fishes can swim in water. Fishes can swim in water. Dear students, fishes can swim in water. This is a sentence. We add some questions at the end of the sentence. Don't they? Don't they? Don't they? Don't they? It's a tag question. Dear students, I repeat this definition. During the conversation, the supporting question which we add at the end of the sentence, the supporting question don't they is a tag question. Now, dear students, we will discuss the structure of the tag questions. Dear students, when we find the sentence, then we have to follow this structure. If the sentence is affirmative or positive, we use here negative statement. The sentence remain here in unchanged, that we add comma, add tag questions plus note of interrogation. If we find positive statement or ha bodak, we add negative tag, and if we find negative statement, we add positive tag. Thirdly, we have to remember that the subject of the tag question is always pronoun, and after that we use some operator. The auxiliary verb operator means the auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb which we use at the time of forming tag question, that is called operator or সহকারী verb. These operators are am, is, are, was, were, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, have, has, had, do, does, did, ought, dare, need. If we find the sentence with operator, we add positive tag in this way. This auxiliary verb or operator put, we add not with verb, and we also put the pronoun of the subject. Here you see an example. He is a liar. Dear students, you see it is a he is a liar. It is an affirmative sentence. Here we find auxiliary verb is. Here we use negative statement, is negative form, isn't, he pronoun he, isn't he. Tag question isn't he. Now we will discuss how we take questions without auxiliary verb. If we find the sentence without auxiliary verb in the positive form, we should follow this structure. If the sentence is present tense, then we put do, does according to the person, and after that if the sentence is first tense, we'll put did as auxiliary verb, and we add not, and after that we add the pronoun, the subject. Dear students, here we will see an example. He reads a book. Doesn't he? Here reads. He reads a book. It's a present tense. So we put does. We put does and add not. Doesn't he? We play football. Play. Present tense. Don't. We. Rina sang well. It's the first tense. So we put auxiliary verb didn't. Rina's pronoun is she. Dear students, now we will know the rules of negative tag. We put the auxiliary verb which we find in the sentence. After that, the pronoun of the subject. Example: he does not play. The tag form does he. Dear students, we see here it's an negative statement. He does not play. We use here tag form affirmative. Does he? If the sentence starts with mule verb or main verb, we use this rule: won't you, will you, could you, can you, can't you, would you. Dear students, open the door. Won't you? It's an imperative sentence and this sentence starts verb, main verb open. So we use here won't you. Dear students, if the sentence starts don't, then we put will you. Don't forget me. Will you? But the students remember that you should put note of interrogation after the tag form. If the sentence with let's, we put a tag form shall we. Let's do the work. Let's do the work, shall we. If we find let him, let her, let them, then we will put will you. Let them do their work, will you. If we find the exclamatory sentence with the verb, then we will follow this structure. We use tag form isn't or aren't and the pronoun of the subject. Example: how nice the flower is. How nice the flower is. Isn't it? Dear students, here auxiliary verb is, the pronoun of the flower it. If we find the main verb at with exclamatory sentence, then we put don't, doesn't, didn't, and the pronoun of the subject. Example: how sweetly the bird sings. Tag form doesn't it. Doesn't it. How sweetly the bird it sings. Doesn't. Okay, dear students, I have already discussed some rules of tag form. I think you will understand these rules and try to practice at your home. Stay home and save you and your family. Try to save you and family. Take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.